Hey there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to dive into the crucial world of maintenance and reliability. We'll be exploring the 5 pillars identified by the Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, or SMRP, and how these can help your business create a robust framework. You'll learn how to align your business objectives with maintenance goals, improve manufacturing processes, manage your team, and much more. So, stick around till the end and let's optimize your facilities together. Let's dive right in and talk about the 5 pillars of maintenance and reliability. These 5 pillars are designed to help facility managers create a robust framework for their businesses. They include business and management, manufacturing process reliability, equipment reliability, organization and leadership, and work management. Let's break down each one. First up is the pillar of business and management. This pillar is all about creating maintenance and reliability goals that align with your overall business objectives. For instance, if a company's aim is to be the top provider of durable medical goods equipment in the Midwest, their maintenance and reliability goals might revolve around maintaining near 100% uptime to produce high-quality products that meet demand. Next, we have the second pillar, manufacturing process reliability. This pillar is about linking maintenance and reliability activities with improvements in a facility's manufacturing process. For example, if a manufacturing process involves several complex pieces of equipment, maintenance and reliability benchmarks, activities and objectives should aim to ensure that those pieces of machinery stay in good working order to keep the production line at maximum uptime. The third pillar is equipment reliability. The activities related to this pillar are twofold. First, facility managers need to assess the capabilities of their manufacturing processes and equipment. Second, managers must prioritize those activities that will yield the highest return to keep that equipment safe and running. This might include selecting the most critical processes and prioritizing those activities that will maximize their efficiency and performance. The fourth pillar is organization and leadership. This pillar is centered around managing your maintenance team, its abilities, and its training so that you can meet maintenance and reliability goals. This could involve working with maintenance technicians to set professional development goals, managing the training budget, and organizing conference participation for the team. Last but not least, the fifth pillar is work management. This pillar involves the actual skills and activities such as scheduling, planning, quality checks, and inventory management required to achieve maintenance and reliability goals. Maintenance managers might use a CMMS, which stands for Computerized Maintenance Management System, to help manage data, facilitate analysis, and schedule work orders to deliver the goals of this final pillar. So there you have it, the 5 pillars of maintenance and reliability. By understanding and implementing these pillars, maintenance and reliability teams can create a solid foundation for their operations and contribute to the overall success of their businesses. Thank you for watching this video on the 5 pillars of maintenance and reliability. We've covered how to align your business objectives with your maintenance goals, improve your manufacturing processes, manage your team, and much more. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about how UpKeep can help you optimize your facilities, visit us at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.